how to create Line account. So if you want to create a Line account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Line application. Make sure that you install the application. Now once done, you need to launch Line and then go with sign up, which will be on the bottom. Now you need to first verify your account. Go with your location or your country or your region, then tap on continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And then you need to go and choose a Google account. You need to go and select a Google account that you've not used before to create a Line account. So go and select one and then tap on continue, which will be on the bottom. Now it will take you to this kind of interface. Just simply go and enter a name and then go with the arrow, which will be on the right side. You can also add a profile picture as well, and then go and create a password. So enter the password on the first blank and then re-enter your password. After that, just simply go with the tick or the arrow again, which will be in the bottom, and your account will be created. That is how you can create a Line account. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.